Today, I will show you how you can make some serious cash using nothing but your smartphone. So if you're ready to stop scrolling and start hustling, let's dive into the top 7 ways you can make money with your smartphone. Guys, the first way to make money with your phone is by selling stuff you no longer need, or even stuff that you just bought. Using Mercari, guys, you can get an old sweater that you have not worn in some years, maybe some gadgets from your house that are collecting dust. Instead of throwing them away, why not sell them on mercari.com? It's an app that lets you sell pretty much anything, and people are making serious cash doing this. Now let me break it down for you. Imagine you have some old Pokemon cards, yes, laying around. Before you throw it away thinking that it's just some old papers, check their value on Mercari. You might be sitting on a gold mine without even knowing it. Yes, so some people have sold their old toys, furniture, clothes, and even random household items for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. Guys, one guy found out that his old toy, that he sold his old toy at the garage sale for $10. Guess what? Right now, it could be worth over $700 or more. $700 on Mercari. Now, we're talking about missed opportunities here. Don't fall in this trap, Guys, don't miss these opportunities. Another way to actually make money with Mercari is by going to Goodwill. You buy stuff at Goodwill, you'll be surprised at what people are giving away. Buy low and sell high. Yes, that's a classic flip strategy. Yes, so it will work wonders. All you need is just a little bit of patience and some good old-fashioned research. Just check out the prices of similar items on Mercari and eBay and other platforms before you purchase it. If you find something selling for a lot more online than what you're paying for, Mercari is a place where you can sell for higher. If you have the profits, guys, it is simple. Yes, it's simple and easy to do. I sell on Mercari. Not that I've also sold. I sell on Mercari. I've sold wigs of, yes, I sell this. Yes, so this is a wig. I sell it on Mercari. I sell on various marketplaces. Yes, so various platforms on social media. So one thing you should do is go ahead and do your research. Yes, you can find out the cost, the prices on different platforms. Yes, the next app here is Rakuten. Guys, Rakuten is the app that literally pays you to shop. Guys, you already know what shopping online is, so why not get some cash? Yes, so here is how it works. Rakuten partners with retailers to give you a percentage of your purchase back as cash. So let's say that you're buying something, maybe like a new pair of shoes or clothes or pants. Instead of going directly to the store's website, you can go through Rakuten, make the purchase, and bam, you get the cash. Yes, cash back in your pocket. Rakuten works with thousands of stores. Yes, big names like Walmart, Target, and even smaller specialty stores. The cashback percentage varies depending on the store, but it's usually anywhere from 1 to 15%. Sometimes they even have special promotions where you can get double or even triple the usual cashback. It is free to sign up on. It takes a couple of minutes, and from there, you make money every single time you shop. And here is the best part. Rakuten pays you cashback 4 times a year, and you can receive it through PayPal or even as a gift card to your favorite store. I mean, imagine getting paid for doing your shopping, normal shopping that you would do on a normal day. Anyways, it's like finding money on the ground. So guys, Rakuten has been around for years and they've paid out millions of dollars to its users. If you are shopping online without using Rakuten, guys, hey, you are leaving money on the table. The next one is for you to become a mystery shopper. Yes, so with products, first thing you need to do is download the Products Tube app. Yes, go ahead and download Tube app. Sign up. Yes, so there are lots of stores that you can do reviews. You can evaluate how well a store displays certain products. Once you're accepted for a mission, head to the store, follow the app's instruction, and start your undercover job. Yes, so you may be asked to check out the layout of specific products, see how they prominently display the brands, yes, on their shelves. And here is the kicker. Missions.com or Missions app, they can pay from $10 to $40. They give you money to shop, and it takes about 2 minutes to complete, 2 minutes to 10 minutes. Yes, so I'm telling you, and it is not bad. It is not bad because the more you do it, the more you make money. You can do multiple sessions in just one trip. You can visit like 4 or 5, different stores. I'm telling you, and you can make well over $100 in just 1 hour. Yes, and plus you're already doing shopping anyway, so this is a great way to actually offset the cost of your groceries. If you're doing groceries maybe in Walmart, you pay for it, they pay for it, and then they also pay you. They also pay you. Now, if you're feeling nervous about filming in public, you can just wear headphones and act like you're just listening to music, but you are doing a video. You're recording. Nobody will know that you are recording anyone, because the whole idea is to capture real time. You're like a regular customer, right? You go into these companies or these establishments to find out real time. You just catch them on the spot, right? I remember when I was working in the bank, we had a mystery shopper visit us early in the morning, and the mystery shopper visited us to find out if we know about the products, the bank's products. I think she came to me first, and then I referred her to one of my colleagues, and then he was able to break down. He had perfect knowledge of the products, of the bank's products, and that gave us a good review, and it rated our branch really high. So the whole idea is to help the owners, of the company actually see, from the lenses of a customer, if they are truly representing what the value of the brand. So your mission is to go into the establishment to see if the products are well displayed, if the toilets are clean, if you're going to have a great customer experience, if you're walking in as a normal or a regular customer. So they want to find out if it is okay, if there's something that needs to be, something that needs to be changed or corrected in that particular branch. Maybe the staff are not friendly, or maybe they don't even have any idea of the product or how things run. If they don't have any idea of how things run, or they are just there, they are not helpful, you will capture all of that moment in your camera. It's a one-time thing and you get paid for it. Now guys, you can make money with Clickwalker. Yes, Clickwalker is another awesome app that allows you to make money just by completing small tasks. Now these tasks include online research, app testing, proofreading, and product descriptions. Now what is cool about Clickwalker is that you can work wherever you want, whenever you want, and there's always something to do. Whether you have just 5 minutes or you have 5 hours on average, Clickwalkers can earn about $30 an hour, depending, or even more, depending on the type of task and how fast you can complete it. Unlike those annoying survey apps that pay little money for your time, Clickwalkers offer various tasks. And yes, one day you might be asked to test a new app and give feedback, and the next day you might be writing a product. Yes, writing a product review, and you might be writing a product review. It's very versatile. So as long as you have your smartphone and an internet connection, you can be paid per task. You can be working from anywhere while you're waiting for your flight, or while you're waiting for your for your groceries, or while you're waiting on the line. You can actually make money on the go. I'm telling you, what if I told you that you can get paid for just listening to music? Yes, so that's right. You just slice the pie. Yeah, we Slice the Pie. That's an app. You can earn money just by reviewing new tracks. I mean, it's like getting paid to do something that you already do. It's like getting paid to listen to the music that you already love. So yes, you need to, if it's something, they want to know if it resonates with people that are listening. People want to decide, before they invest their money in an artist. So that is where Slice the Pie comes in. So you sign up, write a short review about the music, and then the better you review, the more details your review are, the more you get paid. And you can get up to $25 an hour just for listening to music and sharing your thoughts. Guys, I know a guy that made over $1,000 just by doing this in his free time. It's something you too can do while you're chilling on your couch. And whether as a personal shopper with Instacart, I mean, since the pandemic, people are opting for delivery services. So another thing you can do is to do Instacart. Yes, you're a personal shopper, you get paid to shop for other people's groceries. And guys, the average Instacart shopper makes around $20 an hour, but if you're good, you can even make more money, even up to $45 plus tips. Yes, that's right. They also give you tips, and you can keep 100% of your tips, especially during the holidays. People are looking for instant deliveries, so you can take advantage of these side hustles for yourself. And guess what? It takes about 10 minutes to create an account, less than 10 minutes to create an account. Just go ahead and start accepting orders. And finally, let's talk about the endless opportunities that are available through social media. Guys, there are millions of ways to make money by creating content. Yes, you can become a content creator on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. The best part is you can do everything from the comfort of your home. Yes, from your phone. You've heard stories about people making it big on social media. You don't need a fancy equipment, professionally, editing software. You don't need all that. All you need is just a smartphone that is capable of producing high quality content that can go viral. Add pictures, and yes, guys, you'll be surprised at how much you can make. And even as a video editor, even if you're not the one creating the content, you can also become a video editor and make money from anywhere. You can work for people in different parts of the world and get paid for inputting your knowledge. So guys, that is all I have for you today. There are lots and lots of ways to make money as a content creator. There are brand deals and partnerships. I don't want this video to be too long, but of course, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. In case you're not subscribed to my channel, turn on the notification bell and let me know what you want to see more of on this channel. But till I see you guys again in my next video, till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl Chassis. If you're new here, please introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and I'd like to meet you in the world I'm from. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. I'm doing a giveaway. of $100 cash gifts. So go ahead and find the link in my description as well as in my comments. Go ahead and add 50 people to my Telegram community. That's it, guys. You're on your way to getting my $100 cash gifts. And that is it, guys, for today. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Till then, keep winning and keep sparkling for your girl Chassis. Bye for now.